Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. At my favorite spot, as it always has been, I have here in my hands the Eachine Tyro 129, the most affordable long-range FPV quadcopter kit with GPS that you can build with love and enjoy flying it. If you like to watch my build video, check out the video description. You get the links to the build video, and also it shows my beta flight settings for this quadcopter that you can copy if you like to. Eachine Tyro 129 is capable of taking 4S to 6S batteries up to 2200 milliamp. Unfortunately, I do not have any 6S at the moment in 2200 milliamp or 1500 milliamp range, but I do have plenty of 4S 1500, which are good enough to test this quadcopter right here, line of sight, for its flight performance, and of course after that a little bit of FPV. Unfortunately, I broke my GoPro Session 5 before going to Pakistan. That was an epic crash. I should have run my camera or DVR, but anyway, it was painful to see my GoPro Session 5 into pieces. Even the TF card was broken. Anyway, I do not have any HD camera at the moment except my Firefly Q6, the most favorite FPV HD camera up to 4K video recording. I might put that later, but after testing the flight performance. I might not test the auto return to home on this one because you see this area what I'm talking about, there are a lot of obstacles here. I don't want it to actually drop down somewhere or hit a pole or my beloved stadium roof there. So we will test the auto return to home or GPS rescue of beta flight on Eachine Tyro 129 someday later when I find an open place. For now, let's fly it and test its flight performance, see how it behaves, have some fun with it. You might be able to watch some DVR footage for now. Alright, it's time to fly the quad. I've got all the GPS satellites, so it will arm, and here we go. Oh, sweet. I mean, it's just do not have GPS, but rest is absolutely flies amazing, man. Look at that. As I mentioned, I just have 4-cell battery, 1500 mAh. I do not have 6S at the moment. I do have 6S 3300 milliamp, but I'm not sure if it will actually carry it. With 1500 milliamp, it's really light on its feet and the punch is amazing. Look, on stock PIDs, I did not change anything except that I changed to higher rates only for acrobatics. But apart from that, I did not change anything, and it's flying absolutely beautiful. Throttle response is simply amazing. Yes? much better on 4S. I mean, for a 7-incher, that punch is nice on the 4S. If you had a 6S on it, imagine what this baby will do. As I said, I will not test the GPS rescue on that. I do not have my L9R or R9M yet. I will have to add those long-range receiver and long-range transmitter. I will have to add that long-range receiver on the quad and long-range transmitter on my radio, and then I can fly long range and I can actually find an open area to test the GPS rescue mode. Woo, boy, it's nice and quiet actually. Even for you can see, even for a high punch, it's very quiet. I love it. I actually like it, and the way it's cruising, it is absolutely beautiful, man. It's gonna make really very stable videos. The way it flies, the way it performs, despite of all those big winds I have here. You know, this is definitely gonna get you very smooth videos, given that you have a nice HD camera and you have actually removed the vibrations from the propellers. Or you can mount the camera on a vibration damping platform. Alright, acro mode. Ooh, very fast acro thing. I actually made really very fast movement. I would like to fly FPV with it now. I enjoy one FPV flight. Smart audio is working, and I believe rest of the things are working superb actually. So the only thing left is GPS rescue mode, which I will test somewhere in an open area, because you have to go at least 200-300 meters away and then flick the switch for GPS rescue. So we'll test that later. For now, let's just fly short range FPV with this one. I'm using a very old Vacance 4S 1500 milliamp, and let's see how efficient is the propulsion system, and we'll check the battery voltage right away. Okay, this battery has one bad cell, which is on 3.4 volt. It's red, but the other cells are still on 3.7, 3.7, 3.7, 3.79, 3.78, 3.78. So basically, not bad. This thing is really very efficient propulsion system as well. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right